Hi! Learn how to crochet this trendy shoulder wrap for an American Girl doll or an 18-inch doll with a free pattern from needlepointers.com. You can get the free pattern and supplies for this project by clicking the iCard or the link in the description below. This is a quick and easy crochet project and is perfect for learning how to crochet. To make the shoulder wrap, you only need to know how to chain stitch and single crochet. You can find tutorials on how to make these stitches in the description below. Begin by crocheting the rectangle piece and fastening it off. Leave a long tail of yarn for sewing the back together. Twist the piece to form a V in the front. Turn it over and now join the two ends together. You can pin them to hold them in place. And to join them together, the two ends, we are going to use a simple whip stitch. Thread the long tail on a tapestry needle. Insert the needle in the end to secure the end in place. Then just slowly insert the needle between a little ways up, catching both pieces together. Again, insert it a little up and catch the pieces together. Continue doing this all the way to the end. Finish it off by weaving the tails into the wrap. This is what the back looks like. And this is the front. I hope that you enjoyed this video and plan on crocheting the doll shoulder wrap. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel because we post videos regularly. Follow us on Facebook. Our Facebook page is a great source for craft and hobby information. Also visit our website, needlepointers.com, for free crochet projects and tutorials.